Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Philadelphia sushi roll. First, let's prepare the sushi rice, which is crucial for any great roll. Rinse 2 cups of sushi rice thoroughly until the water runs clear, then cook it with 2 1/4 cups of water. Once cooked and still warm, gently fold in 3 tablespoons of sushi vinegar. This gives the rice its signature flavor and texture. Now let's gather our delicious fillings for the Philadelphia roll. You'll need about 4 ounces of high-quality smoked salmon, sliced into thin, manageable strips. Next, take 1/2 of a ripe avocado and carefully cut it into thin, even slices. Finally, have 3 ounces of softened cream cheese ready. These 3 ingredients are the heart of our roll. Time to roll. Lay a nori sheet on your bamboo mat, shiny side down. Spread a thin, even layer of prepared sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a small strip at the top. Now, arrange your smoked salmon, avocado slices, and softened cream cheese neatly across the rice. Begin rolling tightly from the bottom, using the mat to compress, and seal the top edge with a little water. Almost there. With your roll complete, it's time to slice it. Use a very sharp, damp knife to cut the roll into 8 even pieces. Dampening the knife prevents the rice from sticking. Serve your beautiful Philadelphia rolls immediately with your favorite soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger. For other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look in the description below. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.